Okay, just doing a quick video just to explain a few things. I'm currently in the middle of taking photographs for HP to continue their investigation into why my yellow toner for my laser printer has exploded inside my printer. So they've asked for pictures of each side of the toner so they can investigate. You can see just by flipping it over, that shows the problem. This is a brand new toner. Right. This is the printer. Was in absolutely perfect condition until it decided to spill and explode. All inside it, it's rendered all these perfectly good condition, otherwise usable, majoritively full cartridges. I'm saying contaminated them. You can't actually quite see there in this light, but yeah, if I put the flash on, it's all inside there. I don't think that's on. What do you think?